it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Check. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Daddy1 with Alopecia. Daddy1, long time we don't hear nothing from Daddy1. Well, long time we don't hear nothing from Daddy1. I ended up on the Juta Riddim. So, alopecia simply means ear loss. It's a medical term for people who lose them ears, a medical condition. So, we're jumping the one on here where alopecia have to do with so much money where they are grown. Cause look.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
We're gonna see. We're gonna see where Daddy1 have to say. Let's go.
From AM to PM, we're chopping for money. You know that's the season. And drop the markets and the crown and the BM. They see me, but God know that I do not see them. Making millions and take care of my children and buy copper rifle, cause that is my defense. And watch out for friends, cause enemies cannot reach me. Lessons I'm learning in my life, and that teach me. Dial run, so they call them a coming outside up in a them tongue. We now go, we just random state and the time and I have no leads. Big track of them know so we at make it be skate 18-inch panny at lean. And I skull a call on my phone and I stop beep. Go na G, believe she now stop doing. Me hold the god up on the fire, she see the sense up on me loop. Me skate the whip, coming no drive. Big grill up on the ride, you see a corner up on the sign. As we rise them know we sieving, we on the grind. Cash code them know what time I see you clip then at the 9. Stack us in the rifle like a bucket on the side. Anyway them I go get it from my kitchen on my side. Designer when me rock, I see me jewelry them I shine. Bad bitch off in me type, she suck the cocky every night. I see them cushion when me smoking, me higher than a kite.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
No. All right. Shit. All right, I could talk about the obvious. Daddy1 look like him stop rubbing. The dog look different. That's a number one. The dog growth. You can see the growth in the artist himself, bro. You can see the growth in the artist himself. Him flow change, him style different, everything. Look like Daddy1 just got take a revamp and forward back. Let me see. Let me type in Daddy1 on YouTube and see when last Daddy1 actually think they have a video. Cause me no want to say he hasn't been around. Let me go upon him in Vivo and see when last him drop a video. Cause like me say, me no want to say the artist just. Let me try. So he's been dropping songs. 2 months, 6 months, rare, but I not see them. Anyway, the comment section point me to the one of them say, yo, go over Daddy1 page. No. React to the one of them. I say, alright. Daddy1 here right forward. I'm impressed. The flow different. Lyrics are chop. Melody dead. Let's go again.
From AM to PM, we're chopping for money. You know that's the season. And drop the markets and the crown and the BM. They see me, but God know that I do not see them.
The man look like our Rasta man, yes, dog. The man look like the man look like Sizzler right here, so.
From AM to PM, we're chopping for money. You know that's the season. And drop the markets and the crown and the BM. They
from AM to PM. From AM to PM, the bottom live on the line because I'm money season, brother. At that at the time, and that is what the motto is right now. Money.
We're chopping for money, you know that's the season. And drop the markets and the crown and the BM. They see me, but God.
Look how the man look like Sizzler. Kalanji this. Man look like Kalanji right here, so dog. Head wrap up and everything. Yo, the G ready, dog. The G ready.
Money, you know that's the season. And drop the markets and the crown and the BM. They see me, but God know that I do not see them. Making millions and take care of my children and
them see me, but me blind to them. Me not see them. I'm out here making millions and taking care of what I'm supposed to be taking care of. That is what the G is saying.
They see me, but God know that I do not see them. Making millions and take care of my children and buy copper rifle, cause that is my defense. And
we can't lift out the rifle them. We can't lift out the defense them. Well, when we said defense, we don't mean football team. No. We out here defending what's ours, defending our turf, defending our life. We have to buy two. Gosh, wang for them.
Making millions and take care of my children and buy couple rifle, cause that is my defense. And watch out for friends, cause enemies cannot reach me. Listen.
Watch out for friends, cause enemy cannot reach me. And your friend them round you, I go reach you, dog. I always say this, bro, friend thing, the friend killer thing. Jeez, it's real.
Buy couple rifle, cause that is my defense. And watch out for friends, cause enemies cannot reach me. Lessons I'm learning in my life, and that teach me. Dial run, so they call them a coming outside up in a them tongue. We not going just random.
Outside up in them town, we not going. That slang they take it. That slang they take it whole place in the dog. Big up the G. Big up the G. Where say up in them town. I forgot his name. Big up yourself, G.
Run, so they call them a coming outside up in a them tongue. We not
9
going
million
just
music.
random state and the time and I have no leads. Big truck of them know so we at make it be skate 18-inch pan the athlete. And I skull a call on my phone and I stop beep. Go na G, believe she not stop doing.
Ready?
Me hold the god up on the fire, she see the sense up on my loop. Me skip the whip, come in no drive. Big grill up on the ride, you see a crown up on the sign. As we rise, them know we're sipping, we're on the grind.
Can I go back?
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Let it go! Let it go! Let it go again! 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 Let it go again!
Can I go back and take in the intro? The intro feel like you get a full verse, not the intro. Listen this. Look how much bar I'm getting another one. Listen.
From AM to PM, we chopping for money. You know that's the season. And drop the 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and the crown and the BM. They see me, but God know that I do not see them. Making millions and take care of my children and buy couple rifle, cause that is my defense. And watch out for friends, cause enemies cannot reach me. Lessons I'm learning in my life, and that.
The man gave one full 16 bar in the intro, brother. One full 16 bar, like no joke.
For friends, cause enemies cannot reach me. Lessons I'm learning in my life, and that teach me. Dial run, so they call them a coming outside up in a them tongue. We not going just random state and the time and I have no leads. Big truck of them know so we at make it be skate 18-inch pan the athlete. And I skull a call on my phone and I stop beep. Go na G, believe she not stop doing. Me hold the god up on the fire, she see the sense up on my loop. Me skip the whip, come in no drive. Big grill up on the ride, you see a crown up on the sign. As we rise, them know we're sipping, we're on the grind. Cash code them know what time I see you clip, then at the 9. Stack us in the rifle like a bucket on the side. Anyway,
the man compared the rifle I get swing to a bucket on a side, brother. A cement bucket I get swing on a side. It's not a normal swing. The man swing the the man swing the rifle like a bucket on a side.
Code them know what time I see you clip, then at the 9. Stack us in the rifle like a bucket on the side. Anyway, them I go get it from my kitchen on my side. Designer when me rock, I see my jewelry, them I shine.
Man, I say yo, anywhere I get it, anywhere from on a touching I'm site. Anywhere when I get it, me not care where. I could have one police station, yeah, get it. Me not care where.
Anyway, them I go get it from my kitchen on my side. Designer when me rock, I see my jewelry, them I shine. Bad bitch off in me type, she suck the cocky every night. I see them cushion when me smoking, make me higher than a kite. Don't a bang a zone, let me day a shop and know the style. Yo, Tutti tell a pussy enough his size. As them sit them I go style my dog, so me know your wise. 7.62 bone skin black and mine. I'm a bro, them a me, yo, Bojo, yo, Miles. Hunt for the cash, you know we up in the shine. Crazy money run up in money till you retard. We a make fast food like pizza, V6P.
Yo! The man I say we a make fast food like pizza. Brother, I know pizza where you get that at Domino's or Pizza Hut or wherever the boys are talking about. Fast food, and I know KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, and none of them fast food restaurant they know. And that's what I talk about. Money are forwarding fast. You want to make fast food like pizza. Comparison. Daddy1, jeez.
Time my dog, so me know your wise. 7.62 bone skin black and mine. I'm a bro, them a me, yo, Bojo, yo, Miles. Hunt for the cash, you know we up in the shrine. Crazy money run up in money till you retard. We a make fast food like pizza.
Crazy money run up in money till you retard. Till you fool, till you not no sense.
Crazy money run up in money till you retard. We a make fast food like pizza. V6P, low tar, alopecia, 19.
Oh, that is the reference to alopecia. Okay. V6, P-load, tar, alopecia, tar. The tire ball out, brother. The tire ball off. Yeah, the tread off, the tire gone. Ball.
I make fast food like pizza. V6 Pilo, Tara, Alopecia. 19C when me talking on my jean shots. Yo, Pooh, yo, Neil, we no weak heart. Fanny rental, ready, get his key mask. Fuck them gal like real fast. Holy big goon, I'm a met boy 3 car. On a dash down in night coach bag. Plus a couple bad bitch, we have a portal drugs money. El Chapo like Sosa. I we no need ID, we no local. Send around, I go meet me skull and know the motion. Know what any safety, so fuck the soda. Couple keys, step on the sea and never powder. Yeah, rich and bad, no tech program. Crazy money run up in money till you retard. We a make fast food like pizza. V6 Pilo, Tara, Alopecia. 19C when me talking on my jean shots. Yo, Pooh, yo, Neil, we no weak heart.
Run out everything.
Rental, ready, get his key mask. Fuck them gal like real fast. Holy big goon, I'm a met boy 3 call. Me hold the god up on the file, she see the sense up on me loop. Me skip the whip, come in no drive. Big grill up on the ride, you see a crown up on the sign. As you rise, them know we sieving, we on the grind. Cash code, them know what time I see you clip, then at the 9. Stack us on the rifle like a bucket on the side. Anyway, them I go get it from my kitchen on my side. Designer when we rock, I see my jewelry, them I shine. Crazy money run up in money till you retard. We a make fast food like pizza. V6 Pilo, Tara, Alopecia. 19C when me talking on my jean shots. Yo, Pooh, yo, Neil, we no weak heart. Fanny rental, ready, get his key mask. Fuck them gal like real fast. Holy big goon, I'm a met boy 3 call.
Cash code.
Yo, Kuya, watching our creative click shoot the one, hear that?
Creative click, chat, big up. Yo, production team. Whoa, what the Woo! Daddy1. Keep dropping bangers like this, bro. And you're back in the spotlight, bro. For the right reasons. Keep dropping songs like this and you're back in the spotlight, bro. Like when I just say, me just search him in YouTube channel and say he's been dropping songs, but they haven't been brought to my attention. Like, normally, if you see me not react to certain songs, because people not put them in the comment section. When one person put the same song 6, 7, 8, 9 times, genuinely type of kind of ignore it. So I'm not trying not to do that. If more than one people put the same song, I'm going to see it, I'm going to say, yeah, all right, then something where so where me need to go to. Because it's impossible for me alone, as a person who have a life out of this, react to all of the songs they want to send me. It is impossible for you even listen. Me don't even listen music again unless me react. I swear to God, me can't do it. Too much. So, if a song is not doing exceptionally well, or it's a well-known artist, or you guys in the comment section put in the same, like 5, 6, 7 people put in the same, like they did for Daddy1 track, I wouldn't see it. So, I'm sorry, artists out there. I'm sorry, yo. Yo! What can I say? Production team, big up yourself first and foremost. Big up yourself. Big up the video personnel. Sick video. Daddy1. Yeah, bro. Full of lyrics. Melody, flow, similes, metaphors. Yo. What is your favorite line of the song for me, guys? Like, my one, when him says Shaka swing the rifle, like, what him say? Like, bucket on a side. Yeah. Shaka swing the rifle like bucket on a side. Or the person name when him call. We forgot the person name. Yo. What can I say? Like, Daddy1, bro. Well forward back, bro. I don't know where you been. I don't know what you been doing, but well forward back, bro. Give you some more of them, ya dog. And I go over you always. I react to the song, them, bro. You see me? Yeah, Daddy1. Big up yourself, my friend. Anyway, this is my going to still. If you enjoyed the one and want some more, leave a like on the videos. Click on any one of them videos for some more reaction. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Whoosh!
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.